Mga boss, ating panoorin to. Dahil pagdating sa decision making sa mga kalamidad na pumapasok sa ating bansa, ay may dalawang pagkakaiba ang mga pangulo natin sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Itong si Tatay Digong sa kanyang pamumuno mga boss versus PBBM sa kanyang administration ngayon. Ito, may malaking pagkakaiba talaga boss. Panoorin natin to.
Maybe parts of Bicol, baka maumpisahan na natin. Baka pwede nang lumipad ng helicopter or something like that para makapasok man lang na makapag-report na mabuti kung ano yung sitwasyon. But the point right now is that the storm is actually still off of our coast. It's not yet hasn't made landfall yet. So the worst is yet to come, I'm afraid. So let's all prepare. Let's just all prepare. So that the minute that we get the signal that it's okay to go in, we'll all be able to go in. Doesn't mean that that signal will be the same for everyone. Of course, the airlift will go in first, and then once the public works has been able to open at least the main thoroughfares, then everything else will go in. Health will go in. The relief goods will go in. And wala tayong magagawa if we just I'm feeling a little helpless here because all we can do is sit tight, wait, hope, pray that there's not too much damage, that there are no casualties, and then go in as soon and as quickly as possible with as much as we can to alleviate the effects especially first to the population, and then afterwards we will take care of all the other infrastructure, the power, the roads. Let's watch again.
And strong winds of Ulysses. I assure everyone that your government is on top of the situation. From the beginning, various government agencies have already been mobilized to respond to the situation on the ground. I renew my call on all local government units and concerned agencies to ensure that the well-being and safety of our people remain the top priority. As President, I guarantee you that your government will do its best to provide assistance in the form of shelters, relief goods, financial aid, and post-disaster counseling. Rest assured, the government will not leave anybody behind. We will get through this crisis, I assure you. As one nation, kapit po tayo, mga kababayan, magbayanihan po tayong lahat. Alam mo, meron tayong mga assets na bago. The Coast Guard, may yung gamitin nila sa tubig, the fast vessels that are with the Navy, and yung Air Force natin, marami tayong helicopter. As long as the weather is still whirling, umiikot pa yung hangin, hindi pa makatrabaho, hindi makalipad. But all of this, lahat, pati mga sundalo, nauna na po yan. Yun pa lang, yung dumating ang advisory sa atin, nakapundo na yung mga tao. The goods are there, the people have been mobilized and deployed. Kaya pagdating ng bagyo, nandiyan nagtrabaho na sila. Kaya may magsabi na walang ginawa, tutulog, walang kaming tulog dito. As I talk to you now, I just...
Yan mga boss, sino sa palagay nyo ay may magandang decision making pagdating sa mga kalamidad na pumapasok sa ating bansa? Tatay Digong Duterte na pinatapon nila sa ICC versus PBBM mga boss ngayon sa kanyang administration. Sa inyong palagay mga boss?